Does the air conditioning on your car stink like a dirty gym locker? It probably does. Change your pollen filter. You're supposed to do it every 20K. Doesn't require any tools, real easy. Let's show you how on this MK7 GTI. First, we're gonna start by opening the glove box, real easy. You have two tabs that you then push to release the glove box lid. You have one here and the other here. Once you depress your glove box lid is loose like this, you can slowly lower it down. You then have three tabs across the top here. You're taking off this cover and you can pop it down like this and like this. And once you get them unclipped, you can just rotate it out like that. And you can see how gross this is. We can pull this out. I can already see this is gonna be a serious mess. This, my friends, is what it looks like when you don't change your cabin filter. And as you can see, this is not normal. This is one of the worst ones I've ever seen. These pleats are, you're lucky you're getting anything through here. So when you say your car stinks, it's because it's blowing all your air through the air conditioning through all this before it comes into your car. Okay, so we go back in with this cabin filter. You see the arrows are pointing down just like it came out. Stick it on in. Real easy, stick your cover on like that and just pop it in place. And this brake element portion that fell out, you can just pop this gear back in. You just stick it in like so. And then you can slide this brake thing back in like this. If it gives you a little bit of trouble, you gotta wiggle it. Now to get this back in, all you do, push it up. You have now successfully replaced the cabin filter. Buy one, shoptap.com. I'm gonna go recycle this box. Also change your cabin filters.